Are you living your best life? Or is there another version of you, one that's already successful, happy, and thriving, waiting just beyond the veil of reality? Every moment, infinite possibilities exist. But what if you could jump to the reality where you're already the person you dream of becoming? Well, stay with me because what you're about to hear will shift your understanding of reality forever. What is quantum jumping? Imagine a world where every decision you make creates an alternate version of you. One version of you chose to wake up early and go for a run, while another hit snooze. One version took that bold risk that changed everything, while another played it safe. What if you could shift to the version of you that made all the right choices? That's what quantum jumping is all about, consciously shifting into the reality where your dreams are already happening. How does quantum jumping work? It starts with one fundamental truth. Your consciousness exists beyond time and space, and it has the ability to navigate through different realities. When you master this technique, you don't have to struggle, wait, or hope. You simply shift into the version of yourself that has already achieved what you desire. But how do you actually do this? Let's dive into the process. The 5-step quantum jumping technique. Step 1, relax and expand your awareness. Find a quiet place, sit or lie down, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Feel your body relaxing with each breath. As you do this, imagine your awareness expanding beyond your physical self. You are more than just your body. You are energy, unlimited and free. Step 2, visualize the window to another reality. Now, in your mind's eye, see a bright window a few feet in front of you. Through this window, you can see another version of yourself, a more confident, successful, happy you. This is the version of you who has already mastered the life you want. Step 3, step through the window. With intention, move closer to the window. As you step through, feel yourself merging with this version of you. Notice the energy shift. How does this version of you feel? How do they stand, speak, act? Take it all in. Step 4, absorb and embody your new reality. Let yourself fully merge with this version. Feel the confidence, the clarity, the success. This is your new normal. You are now operating at a higher frequency, one that aligns perfectly with your desires. Step 5, bring it back with you. Now with this new energy and mindset, step back through the window and return to your current reality. But here's the secret, you're not the same. You've brought back the knowledge, confidence, and vibration of your ideal self. From this moment on, you are that person. The science behind quantum jumping. If this sounds like science fiction, let's look at what physics has to say about it. Parallel realities in quantum mechanics. Quantum physics suggests that reality isn't as solid as we think. The many worlds interpretation proposes that every decision you make creates a parallel universe where another version of you exists. In essence, all versions of you already exist. You just have to tune into the one you want, the role of the observer effect. Experiments in quantum mechanics have shown that particles behave differently when observed. This means your focus and intention shape reality itself. When you direct your awareness toward a desired outcome, you shift into alignment with that reality. Neuroplasticity in the mind's power. Your brain is constantly rewiring itself. When you vividly imagine something, your brain doesn't distinguish between reality and imagination. This is why Olympic athletes visualize their victories. It primes their brain to make it real. Quantum jumping works in the same way, overcoming doubts and making it work for you. You might be thinking, but what if I don't feel the shift? Or what if it's just my imagination? Here's the truth. Your imagination is the tool that creates reality. The more you practice quantum jumping, the more real it becomes. To speed up your results, believe it's possible. Doubt keeps you stuck. Confidence moves you forward. Feel the emotions. The more real it feels, the faster you shift. Act as if. Align your daily actions with the reality you desire. People all over the world have used quantum jumping to transform their lives. Ona, a struggling entrepreneur, jumped into a version of herself that already had a thriving business. Within months, she attracted new clients and doubled her income. Mark battled self-doubt, shifted into the confident version of himself, and finally pursued his dream career. Jessica, who suffered from chronic illness, visualized her healthiest self and saw rapid improvements in her condition. These aren't just coincidences. They are examples of how aligning with your ideal self brings powerful changes. Your new reality begins now. You don't have to wait years to become the person you want to be. The version of you that already has the life you desire exists right now. So the question is, are you ready to step into that reality? Your dream life is waiting. The only thing left to do is jump. Before you go, if you found this video insightful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out the next video on how to master the law of attraction for even faster manifestation. See you there.